Today we're in Orlando. Behind us, Cheesecake Factory. It's been a while since we've been to a Cheesecake Factory. We filmed one a few years ago. This one's between Universal and Disney, and we've never been to this one. Kind of just a standalone one. I know the one we went to was at the mall.
Yeah.
At Millennia. This one's its own little restaurant. It's currently about noon, and it doesn't appear that there's going to be a wait. Most Cheesecake Factories, you need some sort of reservation or your name on a list because it does take some time to get in them. But either way, gonna go to this one. Should be a good time. Let's go check it out. Cheesecake Factory, we've got outdoor seating. Looks like you can enter either door, and then all over here parking. I don't see any hours on the door. Oh, holiday hours. Never mind.
Oh, nope.
Nope.
That's just open or closed days.
Yep, don't see any hours. We're going to read this backwards. Monday through Friday, 11. Saturday, 11. Sunday, 11. Restrooms are over there. It is extremely cold in here, just so you know. You can also get cheesecakes to go over here on this side. But they do have Christmas music playing, and I don't think we'll have to wait. There's a nice bar on this side. I love the lighting and the ceiling in here. Also, they do have some of the nicest restrooms. Yeah, that was seating immediately. The designs in Cheesecake Factories are pretty cool. Like, look at this back wall. And this location's massive. Now, this is a large menu, so bear with us as we go through it. I remember last time it took quite some time to get through it all. Here is the special menu. I'm also going to try to talk over the music. They do have the music playing in the background. We've got the bites right here. And then down below that, we've got bowls. So I know I think they've got like some sort of orange chicken bowl that's good. But we'll look at it on the big menu. We've got the Skinny-licious menu. So I'm guessing it's just kind of, 590 calories or less. So that's what this menu is. Skinny cocktails. They've got small plates and appetizers. There's crispy Brussels sprouts. Salads. And then scan here to view these menu items. That's pretty cool. Over here, burgers and sandwiches. It's nice they got a menu that's low calorie. Tacos. And then specialties. I think that's that menu. Now if we dive into the actual menu, the Cheesecake Factory. So here's a little bit about. Made fresh every day. And then wines. Try to be quick on some of the drinks. Wines. It's a big menu when the pages are numbered. Cocktails. Maybe I can do this and show you cocktails on both sides here. Margaritas, all-day brunch cocktails, zero-proof cocktails, beers, non-alcoholic, specialty sodas. If we turn the page, small plates and snacks. So salad, cucumber salad, stuffed mushrooms, fried zucchini. Look at that, 1,000 calories. Crispy crab bites. We turn the page. Appetizers. Warm crab dip. Lettuce wraps. Appetizers, page 7. We've gotten a few appetizers here before. Flatbread pizzas. The bee sting, look at that. Over here, glam burgers, which is page 8. Old-fashioned burger, double smash burger, French dip cheeseburger. There's all that. Over here, salads. Whole page of salads. They do have good salads here, though, I will say that. And then if we turn the page, lunch specials served until 5 p.m. So technically we could get lunch specials like the lunch soup and salad, lunch pasta, lunch favorites, smaller portion. That's actually good because we can usually share the regular entrees. Sandwiches. There's all those. Spicy crispy chicken sandwich. Specialties. I know there's they had some sort of orange chicken at some point. Let's see, maybe it's over here on page 13. Over here under specialties, they've got the orange chicken right there. Truffle honey chicken and bang bang chicken and shrimp. Pastas, fettuccine alfredo, 4 cheese pasta, and then spicy chicken chipotle pasta. Page 14. 15 is fish and seafood. They've got about everything you could ever want here. Of course, the back portion of the menu will be all of their cheesecake. Normally shared cheesecake because of how big the slice is and how expensive it is. Side dishes. Turn the page. Eggs and omelets served all day. I did not know that. That's interesting. I don't think I've ever gotten breakfast here before. And it is Saturday, so they've got a Saturday and Sunday brunch until 2 p.m. Cinnamon roll pancakes, lemon ricotta pancakes, brulee French toast, Monte Cristo sandwich. And finally, I think we're getting to the cheesecakes. Holy smokes. Let us know what your favorite cheesecake is. They have so many of them. There's peach perfect with raspberry drizzle. And I don't see any prices on the cheesecakes. But look at the calorie count. Cheesecakes and desserts. Tiramisu cheesecake. There's pumpkin. And then they also do have some specialty desserts. Bowl of fresh strawberries. And I think, nope, there's more. There's this rewards, cheesecake rewards, and then some more desserts. Good grief, that's page 21. And that does it there. They did ask if we wanted some bread. We got some bread, and we also got waters. And speaking of which, there's the peach perfect with raspberry drizzle. I have no idea what I'm going to get to eat. Probably a lunch portion since we're here and can get lunch portion sizes. Oh, they do have the lunch chicken special, orange chicken. I think I'm going to do the orange chicken lunch, and Timber's going to do the miso salmon lunch. And then, of course, the cheesecake. I have no idea which one. Just looking at the sandwiches, too. I think somebody suggested for us to get something here. It might have been the orange chicken. I don't really remember. And I think we'll do the tiramisu cheesecake. So it's got 980 calories, but look at this one, the low-licious cheesecake, 570. And then the original 830. Everything else is 1,000 or more, it looks like. I know they have some pretty good drinks like lemonades and stuff, but I think they're pretty pricey, so that's why we went with water. I'm gonna keep the camera down here. You can see it's very bright behind me. Yep, water's fine. Got some bread here. That's some good bread. That's crazy, they just put down the blinds. It's actually like sweet bread or sweet butter or both. It's pretty good. I like it. This is why we share, because this is the lunch portion. Like, that's a ton of food. And you could do brown or white rice. And then yours isn't bad. Still a big piece of salmon for sure. But I mean, if this is lunch, so imagine not lunch. I think we've actually shared the orange chicken before because of how big it is. This is the kind of orange chicken we're used to, like back in Missouri. Look at the size of just a half of a piece of orange chicken. Let's try it. That's good. Really good orange chicken. I'd say for me, the only thing they could add is like maybe make them a little bit more saucy. But that's just a personal preference. The taste is good. Gonna try the salmon. Salmon's stinking good. I don't know what sauce that is at the bottom, but that's amazing. Top-notch salmon. As far as chain restaurants, this one has always been good. Like, they've never switched their formula, which is good. And every time we've been here, I mean, the food's been great. It is a tad pricey though. I'm not done yet, but it hardly looks like I've eaten anything. There are some veggies under all of it. I think the brown bread's better than the white bread. The white bread's a little bit more tough. And also, I believe we've gotten the fettuccine here before, and it's really good, but huge portion sizes also. And here's the cheesecake slice, right under 1,000 calories, but that looks good. I apologize for the lighting. Now it's dark in here, but here's the cheesecake. That's really good. Definitely has that coffee taste to it, which I'm sure you like a lot. It's about 12:45 and it is getting full now. Let's see, the total bill, $54.74. If we would have got drinks, would have been in the 60s. So that's why we share. We could have shared the orange chicken for 18 bucks, but there you have it. Or shared the salmon. And so, you know, cheesecake probably runs around $12 to $15, I would say. As mentioned, it filled up big time in here. It's just before 1, so it took a little less than an hour to get in, eat lunch, and leave. And then also, just for a heads up, like I said, you actually can come over here and pick out your own cheesecake you want. Oh yeah, there they all are. Another look at it before we leave. Restaurant and bakery and bar. Also make note that inside the restaurant, I think there's like a signal blocker because we had no service. All of a sudden we have a bunch of service. They did have Wi-Fi, but it said something about the rewards Wi-Fi, so I didn't dig into that. That was our trip out to the Cheesecake Factory for a second time we filmed it. Honestly, as mentioned in there, for a chain restaurant,
God bless you.
God bless you. For a chain restaurant, always a solid choice. Mm-hmm. The only downfall is it's on the pricier side of restaurants.
You get your money's worth, though, I think.
Yeah.
It's compared to we've spent money on worse stuff. So.
Exactly. Cheesecakes are good. Let us know what your favorite cheesecake is, and just know that you can easily share portions.
Yeah.
I will say this is one of my mom's favorite spots, the Cheesecake Factory. Yeah. And I remember as a kid, we didn't have one where we lived, so whenever we went to a town that did have one, it was always a treat to get it.
The first time I ever tried it was in Chicago.
Really? Mine was in St. Louis, I believe. Yep, St. Louis. So if you have never been to one, check out their restrooms. Most of them have stalls that are like the full doors. I always thought that was cool as a kid. And yeah, just know that you're going to be pretty full after it's all said and done.
Yeah.
With that being said, that does it for today. Thanks for watching.